It's to the dirty.
Alright people, so this is alright people, so on our daily routines today we are in Eastern region and we are here to discover the great nature in Eastern region. We're from DJ Purified and we are about to back. So where you go? You got it, you know. What's the video? Bye bye. So what the hell was that? It was a bat. So I never saw that coming into the scene. So I saw a waterfall from the rocks, natural. So man, I wanted to take a shower. So I went down the rocks to take a shower. Then from nowhere, this bat just flew into the scene. And check my reaction. Maybe it's on top. What up guys, my name is DJ Purified and today with me is Kwahu. Yeah, Amuzuke. Now today we there, what's the name of this place? This is Kwahu in Prayeso. I mean descending down to Nkoko. That's our normal routine, out and about, trying to give you some special moments, special visuals, and then give you some nice drone shots to be now. And so today, we're Eastern region, it's sent for Eastern Palace, so we're going to give you some nice views from Eastern region, Kwahu to be precise. So Charlie, I really am flying on now. So if you're watching this, yeah, if you're watching this, you can subscribe to the channel Range Media GH on YouTube. We are on Instagram, we're on Facebook. You can also call us for your drone shoots and every stuff, man. So it's takeoff time. Kwahu. Takeoff time, Kwahu. We are flying, we are about to fly. Range Media on the hills. Are you ready? Let's go.
It's to the dirty.
show you stuff about Ghana, the people, who they come down there and show you. So we are the hills, yeah, the mountains in Kwahu. Therefore, I'm going to burn some fat to do. You guys should understand. So with me here is my man. Okay, you're a pilot or the call lobby, but you a drone pilot. Anyway, that's Kobe T behind the camera. So about 4 people, we're going to show you stuff about Kwahu. So right here, no man, I start journey now. So be on this journey with us. We're exploring Eastern Kwahu side, and we're going to show you everything that you need to know about Eastern region. Top visuals, yo, MTN people where they go. Be like Kwahu this year, you know, come on. How go do them? So be with me. My name is DJ Parkour Rich with my man Kobe T. I have a match some container. Let's go.
It's to the dirty.
I'm fish 3. Not in chief for 1. It's banners I do. I follow a hole. Meat 2 CDs what Kwahu are. My park me am about to have. I could. But the banner I don't call my mom. As in chief for na kawan. 7 messages today. Yes. Plastic. Why be no, Papa? 7 my brother, no, so. Papa, what is it?
It's capital.
Oh. Watch you! Mammy, me check out, showing that way in some. I don't know. I am bad. I am bad. Watch you, okay. Umami, and I I'm not a second husband. I am a master. Nice one. Not from daddy. I go watching why do. In Chinin Trim, Mokonu see average. Talian so or that do. Hey, 3 cities so. And can I 7 cities? No. Now, while I shoot on you there in Namuum, Kochako, Yamo Concotin. Papa, Jordan, I said, this is you, a consul. My and 1, 3 cities near and testing. Hey, now the actual way in Esmonto. I just mean I am a I just mean I am good. Mam train corner and quiet. Say, made a free bed too. Kwahu is banner by a fool.
Go watch you Napu.
It's banner by a fool.
Canada.
There, Namara Pan coming to me being car. They did him up in Chifua and Namaka. Kwahu in prior to the food they be. Where the cost to be moderate. I want to one can one but no Kwahu. Yo guys, we've been on a journey from Kwahu to Accra, and then there's this restaurant, very nice place. It's called Indador. So the guy back where did this kind of so he needs to use the restroom, washroom, or whatever. And so I had to wait for him at the car park for him to finish whatever he's doing. Then we continue the journey. So the journey still continues. Still journey in Erokodo. Lendado, it's a nice place. I mean, this is my 3rd time stopping over this place, and I think I love the place. It's like a city on its own. Mepe biara ibiwaha. So anybody that is traveling from Accra to Kumasi, Kwahu, whatever, I think It's a nice place for you to stop by to have some fun and see what's up. So whilst I'm waiting for my guy, probably I'll step in one of the shops to get something to drink, maybe fruit juice or something, just to keep me driving and going. So I'll be right back. Subscribe to the channel, Range Media GH, and let's move.